Good afternoon, everyone. Special grade, Sir Rogon. Today we will answer the assignment 5, number 8. So the given is f of x is equals to 7x raised to 4 tan x. So first, we need to get the derivative of u and v. So the derivative of u is the derivative of 7x raised to 4 is equals to 28x cubed, which is this. And the next, the derivative of v is equals to derivative of tan x, which is secant squared x. And then next, after that, we need to apply the product rule. So, 28x cubed times tan x plus 7x raised to 4 times secant squared x. So, the final answer is f prime of x is equals to 28x cubed tan x plus 7x raised to 4 secant squared x. So, that's all. Thank you.